So we're out here in the mountains today with the Laowa 14mm f4 on my Panasonic Lumix S5. I've had this lens for a couple of months now, but we're going to take you out, take a few pictures, get you some nice nature footage, and let you know what I think of the lens after having used it for the past few months. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Let's get going! So, as you can see, the beautiful thing about an ultra-wide lens like this 14mm full frame is just how much you can fit in. I'm about 2 meters away from the camera at the moment. I look tiny, right? Look at the scale. I feel it has an ability to put the viewer into the environment you're shooting, so that's what makes these useful, and that's why I like them. Even when I was shooting weddings and stuff, I would prefer the ultra-wide end for documentary style stuff, because it would put the viewer, or hopefully the bride and groom, back in that moment when they're doing the pictures later on. Just something to think about. It's not all about just pushing a button, hey? So that was out shooting with the Laowa 14mm f4. Funnily enough, the last time I did this track was with the 17mm f4 for the GFX system by Laowa as well. They're quite comparable in terms of the image quality. The big difference is the size. Obviously, being a medium format camera, the lens was much larger, but it was ridiculously large. This is teeny weeny. What is it comparable to? A shot glass maybe? Slightly larger than a shot glass? Either way, it's small, compact, and perfect for any kit if you don't mind manual focusing. If you're a pixel peeper, however, wide open, it's super soft in the corners, but when stopped down, it becomes increasingly sharp. To a point, obviously. However, don't pixel peep. It's terrible. Your clients are never gonna know, and the only person who really does are the ones who spend too much time staring at their screen instead of getting out and shooting. Anyways, can I recommend this lens? Definitely, especially for the price. It's hard to beat in terms of the image quality, the size, and the weight. Like I said, it's great to throw in a travel bag, especially if you're out vlogging, and if you like ultra wides, obviously. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Hope that was helpful. Take care and love one each other. Love one another. God, I can't even speak today. Take care.